That's a great question, Grady. I guess it probably has something to do with the birthday cake and how, it's covered in icing, and icing isn't really flammable, so, you know, the fire just like, it doesn't really have anywhere to go, or something like that.
Hey,
I'm not
Dad.
sure.
Hey, Dad. I thought that it had something to do that fire needs oxygen. So the oxygen feeds the fire when you blow on it.
Huh. Well, now that you mention it, that makes a lot more sense. I'll bet you're right. It probably does have something to do with that. You sure do ask a lot of hard questions. That reminds me, when Jesus was just a little bit older than you, Grady, he had an experience uh, at the temple with the religious leaders. And when everyone else had left after the festival, Jesus stayed behind, and he was talking with the religious leaders, and he was asking them questions, hard questions, kind of like you're asking, but questions not about fire, but about God. And a lot of times they didn't have the answer, and so sometimes he would offer up the answer. And the Bible tells us that those religious leaders, they were amazed at the questions and the answers that Jesus was providing. But you see, Jesus came for that very reason, and he knew why he came. He was the Son of God, and he came to teach us about God and to reveal God the Father to us. So when he was in the temple with those religious leaders, he was just showing them and teaching them things about the Heavenly Father that they hadn't yet learned and realized. What an amazing encounter with Jesus when he was a young boy.